Want to make money from home? Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, this video will show you the fastest and most effective ways to earn from the comfort of your home. Stay tuned, let's dive in. First up, freelancing. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer allow you to sell skills like graphic design, writing, video editing and even voiceovers. The best part? You set your own rates and work on your terms. Next, print-on-demand and dropshipping. You don't need inventory. Just set up a store on Shopify, upload your designs, and let companies like Printful or Spocket handle the rest. Sell custom t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, you name it. And there you have it, the best ways to make money from home in 2025. Which method are you going to try first? Comment below. And if you want more money-making tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.